I reached out to Dr. Ray because I was going through some challenges in my personal life, in my relationship, and I was looking for someone that could help me communicate better with my boyfriend, but also to help me get back in touch with kind of my spirituality. Something that was really unique, I've seen other therapists and have done other types of self-work before, but something that I really enjoyed through my sessions with Dr. Ray was that he was very empathic and he was able to really feel what I was going through. He also, I felt like, brought out the best tools that I already had, and gave me tools to be able to help myself. The results after working with Dr. Ray, I feel that I just feel stronger. I feel like I can speak my truth better. I also feel like I have the tools to be able to move forward and know how to approach new situations.